I've been so fortunate to be working here. I've been loving it. In specifically this piece here, it's been some stressful days, but it's almost done. It's still in process. It's called Conscious Matter, and I am producing it for a show in Horsens Art Museum, a rather big solo show with several pieces, so this is just one of them. There's a lot of iron sculptures, bigger installations, and they are like in a state where you cannot really define, are they on their way, are they beginning, or are they actually decaying, are they falling apart? So, but one thing is for certain, they are not yet there. The materials are a huge part of this project. All the materials that I have, for instance, in Conscious Matter is related to iron, also the blood actually. The reason that the blood is involved is because blood becomes red because of the iron that is inside of it, and which also brings transports the oxygen around in our veins. So I find it really interesting, and using this iron oxides that are also has these red polarized colors. I'm very concerned with the materials and this context between objects and humans. This is about bringing down the hierarchy between objects and humans, and this is about that we are all interconnected, and like many of my pieces, also the one I produced here, Conscious Matter, it's like an installation, more like a three-dimensional image that you can walk into. So it's something that you can be inside of, and it can be inside of you, so that you blur the borders between inner and outer. For me, it's like a question also. It's like what we have inside of us, is that also outside of us, and what we have outside of us, is that inside of us. And the same again in the other pieces, with algae and mosses, and yeah, they are all notions to where we come from, meteorite stones, referring all back to the stardust actually, because I think in the end of the day everything is made out of the same, in different way that it's composed and in different kinds of vibrations. So I believe in that the rocks has their own specific vibration, that it's not a dead material, but it's just moving in another. Its liveliness is in many ways different from ours. It has been here long before even humanity was here, and will keep existing after us.